Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to walk you through common dock maintenance for the Roborock Saros Z70. If you're interested in the Z70 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, let's start at the top of the dock with the clean and dirty water tanks. Both tanks are removable and very easy to wash and rinse out. They're clearly labeled to dirty and clean, so we can open them up. On the inside of the dirty water tank, just rinse that out after every use. That would be ideal. That'll prevent any odor building up or any mildew and dirt settling at the bottom, so you don't have to do any deeper, more intensive cleaning. But if you do, just rinse it out, scrub it down, and you're all good to go. Same thing with the clean water tank. Every once in a while, just periodically keep an eye on this, and you can give it a deeper clean if you desire. Looking at the top of the station with the tanks removed, we have a drain hole here, and then these three holes at the top. Just make sure they're all free from obstructions or debris, and you can wipe down in here accordingly. Moving further down the unit, we have a removable cover right here. Just grab and pull towards you to remove it. That's going to reveal our solution tank, where you can periodically refill this as needed. And if it's empty, you could always rinse this out and wipe down in there for the solution tank. This section is going to be your vacuum bag. Once it's full, you can discard the old one and install the new one. With it removed, we do have an option to clean out this if you have like a can of compressed air, just to make sure it's nice and tidy, free from any dirt or dust that may have leaked out. That's settling in here. And then right here with this little guy, you could pull that spring-loaded door down. Just put your finger in there and check for any clogs or obstructions. And then that leads us to the bottom section here. We have our charging contacts, so you can make sure those are wiped down every once in a while. On this side, we have our vacuum channel. So again, finger inspection. Pull out any hair or clogs. We have a removable tray, and this tray comes apart in multiple pieces, so very easy to clean this out. And then we also can move this out of the way, and this pops out too. So you got basically a filter you can clean, but you can wash and rinse all of this out. And then that just snap right back on, and everything places right back in here. And with it removed, if you ever want to, you could wipe this section down too before reinstalling the tray. And if your ramp ever has dirt or anything on it, you can rinse this piece off as well. Overall, simple and straightforward to maintain your Roborock base station. It basically takes care of itself.